Are you wondering which construction management software is better, CoConstruct or Procore? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool suits your needs and why these two giants in the construction industry stand out. Stick around because we're about to dive into all the key details, and trust me, you'll want to hear how they compare, especially when we get to some surprising differences. Now, if you're looking for a way to try either of these powerful tools for completely free, make sure to check out the exclusive link below for some amazing bonuses. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about project management features. Both CoConstruct and Procore excel here, but they have different approaches. CoConstruct is built specifically for custom home builders and remodelers, offering intuitive tools like budgeting, scheduling, and client communication. It's more specialized for smaller, tighter projects. On the other hand, Procore is a heavy hitter designed for larger construction firms, providing a comprehensive suite of tools for everything from pre-construction to closeout. With Procore, you get extensive integration options and a broader scope, making it better for companies managing large-scale, multifaceted projects. Next, let's look at user experience and interface. CoConstruct is often praised for its easy-to-navigate, user-friendly interface. It's clear, straightforward, and easy for teams to get started with, which is great for smaller companies or those with less tech experience. Procore, however, is a bit more complex. It offers more features, but with that comes a steeper learning curve. Larger teams with more technical know-how will likely appreciate Procore's depth, but if you're looking for something quicker to pick up, CoConstruct might be the way to go. The pricing between the two is where things get interesting. CoConstruct operates on a subscription-based pricing model that's tailored to small and medium-sized businesses. While it's on the pricier side for smaller teams, its specialized features justify the cost. Procore, meanwhile, uses a tiered pricing structure based on the size of your company and the number of users. For larger teams, this can mean a more flexible pricing system, but also potentially higher costs as your project scale grows. Moving on to collaboration features, both tools provide communication tools that allow for efficient teamwork, but Procore takes this a step further. Procore integrates directly with numerous third-party applications like Microsoft Teams and Slack, offering a more comprehensive communication suite. CoConstruct, while offering solid internal communication tools, focuses more on the builder-client relationship, which makes it a perfect choice for those looking for a simpler collaboration setup. Next thing to consider is mobile functionality. Procore and CoConstruct both have mobile apps, but Procore's app is known for its robust functionality and feature-rich environment, which is ideal for teams on the go. CoConstruct, while still offering mobile access, is less feature-packed compared to Procore's app, but still meets the needs of smaller companies that don't require a ton of on-the-ground tools. The customer support for both platforms is solid, but Procore offers 24/7 support, something that can be a game changer for large teams dealing with high-stakes projects. CoConstruct support is more specialized for home builders with great resources for smaller teams, but their hours are a bit more limited. To wrap up, CoConstruct is ideal for small to medium-sized construction firms or custom home builders who need something simple and easy to use with a focus on client communication. It's more tailored and specialized. Meanwhile, Procore is better for large-scale construction companies needing a comprehensive, scalable solution with more features and integrations. And don't forget, you can try either of these software tools for free through the exclusive link below, which gives you a bonus extended trial to test out the full capabilities before committing to anything. So, which one is better for you, CoConstruct or Procore? If you need something specialized, CoConstruct is your best bet. If you're managing larger projects and need a more expansive suite of tools, Procore is the clear winner. Take a moment to explore the extended free trials linked in the description below and see for yourself which platform suits your needs best.